Welcome to Lesson 12, Using Sensing Light. In this lesson, we will show you how to connect and code photoresistor and learn how to sense the light level with microbit. In this lesson, you need to prepare hardware as video shows, and connect photoresistor with microbit as video shows. In this lesson, we use the MakeCode editor to conduct tutorial experiments. You need to connect microbit with computer firstly. Enter MakeCode editor and click microbit icon. Click plus to add a new project. Click Make a Variable. From Variables block. Enter reading and click OK to set reading as a variable. Drag set reading to 0 block under the forever block. Drag the analog read pin block from pins on show reading block. Choose P0 according to connection graph. It means variable reading from P0. Value from P0 is stored in the variable reading. Set number as a variable and drag block under show reading. Choose divided by block to divide reading variable. As the analog read pin block will be a number between 0 and 1023. This is then scaled to be a single-digit number by dividing by a number you like. Drag reading on set number block. You can change the number 50 to make the range of light you are interested in. Value of divided by reading is stored in the variable number. Drag the show number block and variable number to show the level of light on microbit. Download this program to your microbit drive. After power of microbit, light level will show on your microbit LED matrix. When the photoresistor detects higher brightness, the level is lower. You can also drag hex file in our instruction to your microbit drive.